purpose of this video is to show how we can write our data from our Python program into an Excel file. This can be very useful if you want to present your data somewhere else, or you want to use your results from a Python program in another application. Or you want to draw some graph by Excel, use Excel tools to analyze your data. This can be very useful. So the way we are going to do this is, first we will generate some random integers, and then we will define headers for our data, and then we will write these data into an Excel file. So first thing we need to do is import libraries we're going to use. First, from OpenPyXL, we import workbook. So OpenPyXL is the library that deals with the Excel file, and from this library we only need the workbook object. So that will be the only thing we import. And then to generate random data, we need a random library. Now in this step we define data as a list of tuples. Because they are integers, we start with integer. Random, that's random. This function generates a random number from 0 to 1, and because we have set from 0 to 100, if we multiply this by 100, we'll have our random integer from 0 to 100. And we repeat this for the other part, our tuple, random dot random multiplied by 100, and we do this 20 times. So now we have our data. Here we initialize our Excel file. Book is workbook, sheet is book.active. So this is the object we're going to work with as an Excel file. Next step, we will define the column names or our headers. So we just type sheet.append, let's say variables and functions, or x's and y's. Next step, we should append these data into the sheet. Now we set for data mean data sheet dot append. Now we are done. The object is ready. Now we save our Excel file as book.save, and we write the name of our file as a string, Python Excel and we have to write the format XLSX. Now that's it. We run this program, and if we go to the same directory as our Python file, we can see the data here inside an XLSX file. Thanks for watching. In another video I will I will show you how you can read data from an Excel file, so you will able to read data and analyze data from an Excel file. That can be very useful as well. Thank you.